Hey there, ambitious side hustlers. Welcome back to our channel, where we unlock the secrets of online business and help you take control of your financial future. In today's video, we're diving into the world of side hustlers, those incredible individuals who are already juggling full-time jobs or other commitments but still want to explore their entrepreneurial potential and generate additional income. If that sounds like you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about why affiliate marketing is a fantastic opportunity for side hustlers, and how it can potentially pave the way to leaving the 9-to-5 grind and becoming your own boss. So, let's jump right in. Flexibility and low barrier to entry. One of the great things about affiliate marketing is its flexibility and low barrier to entry. As a side hustler, you can choose when and where you work, fitting it around your existing commitments. With affiliate marketing, there's no need to create your own products or handle customer service. You simply promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or referral you generate. This flexibility allows you to explore your entrepreneurial potential without overwhelming your schedule or taking on excessive risks associated with traditional business ventures. Opportunity for additional income. Affiliate marketing provides an excellent opportunity for side hustlers to generate additional income. By promoting products or services that align with your audience's interests, you can earn commissions on successful referrals or sales. This allows you to leverage your existing network, online presence, or marketing skills to create an extra revenue stream. With time and effort, your affiliate marketing side hustle can grow, potentially even surpassing your current job income and providing financial freedom. Learn and grow entrepreneurially. Engaging in affiliate marketing as a side hustle is not just about the income. It's an opportunity for personal and entrepreneurial growth. You'll learn valuable marketing skills, build relationships with affiliate partners, and gain insights into the world of online business. This experience and knowledge can lay the foundation for transitioning away from the 9-to-5 grind and venturing into full-time entrepreneurship, where you can be your own boss and have greater control over your financial future. And there you have it, ambitious side hustlers. Affiliate marketing provides flexibility, an opportunity for additional income, and a pathway to explore your entrepreneurial potential. It's an incredible stepping stone that can potentially lead you to leave the 9-to-5 grind behind and become your own boss. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content like this. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and remember, your side hustle can be the launching pad to a life of financial freedom and entrepreneurship. Keep hustling, and until next time, embrace the journey of building your own empire.